Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to grow tomatoes and other warm temperature plants in Calgary. This is okra and we seeded this around early April and trying this for first time. We may transplant this outside when the temperature is around 70 Fahrenheit or about 21 degrees centigrade. These are tomato plants and all the tomatoes were seeded around mid-February to early March and each have their growth rate dependent on how much sunlight they get every day. The one which you are seeing right now is now taller than me and getting ready to be taken outdoors in a day or two. Tomatoes of this size is about $12 in Costco. This is green pepper. We have grown lots of tomatoes and pepper plants near this window area which has good amount of sunlight in the morning and hence most plants grew well compared to where we have kept other plants. My dad started these plants indoors around mid-February and now we started running out of spaces in our dining room and in our other area where we are growing all these plants. The plants are waiting now to be moved outdoors this week as the weather is improving and frost is gone. The milk jugs contain the ground banana skins which are high in potassium and will be used as fertilizer for outdoor plants and fruit trees. This is another area where we keep all the other plants. Here we have some more tomato plants, some okra plants in pots, eggplant and pepper plants. Due to lack of space, more eggplant plants under the closet. These are corn and some zucchinis at the back. Now in my bonus room we have some indoor plants such as banana plant which I bought from Costco, and we have another one which we had it for a while. This will stay indoors all the time as Calgary weather is not suitable for bringing it outdoors. There is another baby banana plant coming in this container. We have few other plants which stays indoors, holy basil, dragon tree, and we have an avocado plant which just started. We are excited to bring most of the plants outdoors and hoping to have a good yield. Thanks for watching and let me know if you have any questions.